You've got gloves on.
You never know, like, might have this,
I'm going to start. Right. We'll do it together. Look, you do it.
Yo guys, what's up you guys, Game Plan here guys, welcome back to my video guys. So today we are gonna do cooking today, episode 4, YASA Cooking Show, the latest one is like, so today we are cooking potatoes, we got carrots, we got peppers, we're not gonna do onions, we got breast chicken, and yeah, that is it guys, and we're waiting for this to boil it up. So while this is boiling up, we will then put the, if it starts to get a bubble, then like, we wait for the potato to go in. Yes. Guys, I'm putting this potato into the boiling water, as you guys can see. Oh, not think we need that much. Should put in oil. Sorry about that, yeah. Oh shit, yeah. So I'm grabbing carrots. Why is it just... We should get flipping like a good one anyway. We're gonna put a couple, but not all of it. Oh yeah, that's like stop. Basically, we're gonna put this carrot in a black pan. I don't know where's the pan for the thingy. We're gonna wait for this to be cooked. Now look. So we're gonna wait for the potato to be cooked. Put the carrots in one way, and the carrots are steaming in the black pan. And then you got the grey pan is going to, food is going to come together and that. Then after that we're going to put the chicken in and the pepper in, and then hopefully we see you. And then hopefully we see you after break. Bye. What's up you guys? Yeah, so what's your video guys? So today I'll show you what we do guys. We put the peppers and carrots there. Then it's time to remove the chicken. Right? And this is what I'm going to do. Pull out that. See the chicken. You see the chicken there? What we're going to do there? We'll put one in at a time. We'll grab the fork and put it in. Is it boiling? It's got blood. I don't want to catch it, can't be.